Yes, sorry due to slight network issue, we just got disconnected, but then we are going to continue with what we were doing. I was telling about the cake recipe जो हम यूज़ करेंगे, एगलेस रेसिपी. इसमें हम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं refined flour, 175 grams of refined flour. Now before we start with the ingredients, you can see here an array of, I've got here Amul basket and I'm using Amul products for preparation of my Lamington roll. So Amul की cream है, chocolate है, cheese है, ghee है, cream है, all butter है. Obviously we are using all these Amul products for preparation of our recipe, and in fact also milk also मैंने खोल के रखा हुआ है, लेकिन Amul milk I am also using for preparation of the recipe. So let's start with the preparation of Lamington roll. और इसके केक को बनाने के लिए हम जो है refined flour, we will take 175 grams of refined flour. We are going to just sieve. मैंने पहले से sieve करके इसे bowl में करके रखा हुआ है. I am going to put it in a big bowl and I am going to take Amul butter. As you can all see, यहाँ पर butter है which I have already taken. It is approximately around 75 grams of butter. सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा? What I'll do is I'll do rubbing of butter and refined flour. Now this is an eggless recipe, तो थोड़ा सा चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना ज़रूरी है while you prepare the recipe. So first step what I'm going to do is I'll rub the fat and flour together. ये जो butter है इसको मैं यूज़ करूँगा और साथ में इसकी rubbing करूँगा. So I'll keep it. So we'll make it quickly. Then I'll just I'll show you all the process in progression, because baking का time और refrigeration का time हमारे पास इतना नहीं है. But then I'll show you how the product is made. So I am rubbing the fat and flour together to make this eggless recipe. सबसे पहले हमें केक बनाना है और शीट फॉर्म में, और उसके ऊपर जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालने हैं वो फिर मैं आपको उसके बाद बताता हूँ. Let's in the meantime I am rubbing. I'll tell you the other ingredients. Now it is a rolled cake which is stuffed with.
Excuse me, chef. There is a question from the viewers
Yes.
that the voice is not clear enough. So
Okay.
it will be great if you can do it a bit slowly so that everybody can hear you properly.
You can bring the camera a little bit near to me. Yes. So what I was saying, you can show to the viewers. I am rubbing fat and flour. I am making an eggless recipe. Fat and flour we are going to rub together. Then I am going to add sugar into it. Sugar, I will take castor sugar, which is again going to go into the flour for rubbing and mixing. So 150 grams of castor sugar I have taken here, and it is going to be going in this eggless cake recipe for the Lamington roll. Now you can see here how I have rubbed it together nicely so that butter, sugar and refined flour get mixed together. इसके साथ साथ ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स में हमारे पास बेकिंग सोडा एंड बेकिंग पाउडर है, which is approximately 10 grams, which I have taken earlier. So क्योंकि एगलेस केक है तो इसकी अच्छी टेक्सचर देने के लिए, इसको अच्छा रेज करने के लिए हमें बेकिंग पाउडर या बेकिंग सोडा की ज़रूरत है. So we'll add the dry ingredients also here. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे. Now what we are going to do, ये हमने सारा जो ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट है वो मिक्स कर दिया है. अब इसमें जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है जिसके वजह से बैटर बनेगा वो हम डालेंगे. Before that I'll put some vanilla essence, around 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence I have here. A little bit of yellow color as you can see. Few drops of yellow color to give it a nice color, and I am going to add 175 ml of water here. Now to these dry ingredients I am going to add water to make a batter, and I am going to use milk also with it. If you do not have milk, you can use milk powder just to increase or improve the consistency of this eggless cake batter. So I'll use a whisker to mix it nicely so that no lump. हमें इसमें जो water लेना है, we are going to take 175 grams of lukewarm water. ठंडा पानी नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है, गर्म पानी का इस्तेमाल करना है, so that सारे ingredients अच्छे से mix हो जाए. And as this is an eggless batter, हमें ध्यान रखना है कि मिक्सिंग बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर मिक्सिंग होनी चाहिए. So इसका जो बेकिंग है that takes place in two series. There's a question.
Chef, there is a question for you.
Yes.
Viewer of ours, Miss Leela Naresh, wants to ask you the ingredients which are generally being used. Probably she might have skipped few ingredients.
Okay, I am using refined flour. I am using castor sugar. I am using water. I am using butter, Amul butter obviously, and I am using baking soda and baking powder just to improve the oven spring of the recipe. So now what we are going to do, when first the batter is ready, as and when our batter is ready, we are going to put it in the sheet for baking. So can we have the baking sheet? Baking sheet ले आइएगा. So nicely mixing the ingredients together. We'll bake our cake in this sheet. अगर आपके पास घर में इक्विपमेंट है और इस तरीके की शीट है तो आप यूज कर सकते हैं, because we want to give it a rectangular shape. So as and when this is ready, we are going to put it into the sheet for baking. थोड़ा सा मैं मिल्क डाल रहा हूँ just to improve the texture. Generally we have this question in mind, how to go about the eggless cake. So you can see here. Now about the Remington roll, इसके अलावा हमारे पास जो ingredients हमें यूज करने हैं, we are going to prepare the sheet और साथ ही साथ हम उसे लाइन करेंगे. Can I have the cream, whipped cream? ये दो ingredients आप देख सकते हैं इधर. We have got strawberry jam and a little bit of pineapple jam, जो कि हम लेयरिंग में यूज करेंगे. चॉकलेट सॉस, नाउ दिस इज ट्रुफल सॉस, जो कि थोड़ी सी थिक बनाई है मैंने. आई हैव यूज्ड आमूल क्रीम एंड आमूल चॉकलेट. You can see here Amul cream and Amul chocolate for making this sauce. A thick sauce. 1:1.5 1.25 का रेशियो है. 1.25 of chocolate and 1 part of cream. दोनों को मिक्स करके और डबल बॉयलर में मेल्ट करके I have prepared this sauce, truffle sauce, which is going to go for pouring on top. As you can see here. Then I have got some whipped cream. ये भी लेयरिंग के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे whipped cream. Just basic funda is they should be able to make the cake correctly, and then we are going to put it in the mold for baking. So can you help me out? Just put it in this mold and put it for baking. Now this is going for baking, and bake करा हुआ जो already prepared हमारे पास baking sheet है, bake sheet है, वो हम use करेंगे. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. So about this, this is an interesting recipe, especially for your kids at home. Kids generally are interested in such type of desserts जो कि hearty हो, cream हो, जिसमें chocolate हो, and इसके अंदर just to top it over, I have got some desiccated coconut also. Lamington rolls, basically Australia, there's a traditional recipe of making Lamington rolls. So we use desiccated coconut over it for topping. Now, just to show you, I'll show you. We have got this already baked sheet. which we have prepared. Now we are going to be layering it. ये हमने बेक करके रखी हुई है एगलेस शीट, एगलेस केक का. एंड नाउ व्हाट टू डू इज, इसको हमने हल्का सा जब जैसे गरम गरम होता है तुरंत निकाल के हमने एक बटर पेपर लाइन करके बटर पेपर के नीचे इसको रोल करके रखना होता है. वी हैव टू पुट इट आफ्टर, वी हैव टू रोल इट फर्स्ट, कीप इट इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर फॉर सम टाइम, इट विल रिटेन इट्स शेप, देन अगेन ओपन इट. उसके बाद इसकी प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं. सो वी हैव स्किप्ड दैट स्टेप बट यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. ये जो शीट है ये हमने पहले से रोल करके अब देन वी हैव रीओपनड इट. एनी क्वेश्चन सो फार?
Not yet, sir. Not yet, sir.
So we are going to do the layering for the lamington rolls. Sheet हमारे पास है, baked sheet we have got already. Now what we are going to do is we are going to line it or layer it with the jam. You can use any kind of jam that you have at home. You can use. You can see here. So I'll take this jam. I'll do the layering, then strawberry jam a little bit. So very smoothly and very nicely we are going to apply. You know, strawberry jam or strawberry compote if you take, or strawberry gel if you take, it will give you a nice tint flavor because बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा मीठा चीज़ें हैं इसमें, क्रीम भी है, चॉकलेट भी है, तो साथ ही साथ आपको थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करने के लिए फ्लेवर्स को यू रिक्वायर अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ you know any kind of flavor that will give you a bit of taintness or tartness, हल्का सा खट्टापन. So it will give you a nice combination of flavors. Now after that I will apply cream over it. ये पहली लेयर हमने लगा दी है lamington rolls के लिए. केक हमने बेक कर लिया है शीट में. क्रीम अब हम इसके ऊपर लगा रहे हैं whipped cream. This is normal whipped cream, whipping cream जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल होती है हमारे पास. तो हम उसको stiff peak consistency तक we whip it up to stiff peak consistency and we apply it on the layer as you can see here as a layer. इसमें लगाएंगे और थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे क्रीम जो है बहुत ज़्यादा साइड्स तक आपकी नहीं जानी चाहिए because when you roll it it may create some problem. So cream just a gentle serving in between.
Chef, there is a question from the viewers.
Yes.
One of our viewers is asking, can we use marmalade instead of a
Yes,
jam?
yes, for sure. Marmalade, gel, jam. Even if you want to use, you can use crush also.
And
Crush of a nice company, which will give you a nice tartness, taintness to your product.
and one viewer is also asking whether they can use freshly cut fruits instead of jams.
Yeah, they can use freshly cut fruits also because again they will give you a hint of tartness and they will improve the flavor obviously. But size का ध्यान रखना है, size ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं होना चाहिए, बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपका रोल को तोड़ देगा.
Thank you, Chef.
That is what we have to remember. So after this we are going to roll it with the help of our butter paper. इसका हम रोल बनाएंगे और इस रोल को बनाने के बाद ना दिस इज सिमिलर इन प्रिपरेशन टू अ स्विस रोल. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे यस इट इज सिमिलर इन प्रिपरेशन बट गेट डिफरेंट इन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो ऑब्वियसली वी कैन कीप इट इन द फ्रिज फॉर सेटिंग डाउन. कैन आई हैव द अदर दैट यू हैव रेफ्रिजरेटर अर्लियर जो पहले हमने रखा है क्या वो ले आइएगा. So meantime we are getting that. Can I have, if anybody has a question in mind, you can ask. Please getting a tray. So So we have used the ingredients. We are going to finally process it now. अब इस पे हमें जो layering है वो कर ली है. We have used cream, we have used jam, we have used marmalade, anything that you want to use, you can use. We are going to top it up with, I need a tray. Tray. Okay. So ये आप घर में वैसे नॉर्मली हमारे पास अगर सैलेमेंडर है, ग्रिलर है, तो हमारे पास ट्रे अवेलेबल होती है. अगर इस तरीके की जाली की ट्रे है आपके पास, if you have it at your home, you can use it, or a cooling rack maybe, because we are going to do the pouring of chocolate sauce. So chocolate sauce की pouring के लिए हमें एक ट्रे चाहिए, and this kind of apparatus we require. So जितनी भी हम pouring करेंगे ऊपर से, that is going to obviously. Now I am going to show you already rolled and prepared roll that we have kept here. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर how nice layering you can see with cream and jam and marmalade can be seen here. And ये फ्रिज में आपको थोड़ी देर रखना पड़ेगा. You have to keep it in the fridge for some time because ये अपना एक बार शेप रिटेन कर ले और सेटल हो जाए, सेट हो जाए, बिकॉज इट कैन ब्रेक, इट कैन सेट ओपन अपार्ट. तो ये सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज रहती हैं. तो ये पॉसिबिलिटीज ना हो, आपको ध्यान रखना है, इसको फ्रिज में अच्छे समय के लिए रखना है. कम से कम आधा पौना घंटा हमने रखा है, पौने घंटे के आसपास कवर करके प्रॉपर्ली फ्रिज में रखना है. एंड मैंने थोड़ा सा कैस्टर शुगर डस्ट किया था बिफोर रोलिंग, सो यू कैन सी दैट कैस्टर शुगर. एनी क्वेश्चंस? यस.
Sir, there is a question from Chef Venkatesh Sharma.
Yes.
Is there any kind of difference between Leamington roll and Swiss roll?
Leamington roll is basically Australian in origin, and it was created by a chef in Australia for the governor, and he just prepared it for the royal retreat. So that's how the tradition of Leamington roll came into being. Swiss roll obviously is similar kind, but the ingredients are different. इसमें क्रीम भी है, चॉकलेट भी है, बट both are of the similar lines. Preparation around.
Thank you, sir.
Now we are going to pour it over with chocolate sauce that obviously we have to prepare of pouring consistency. ठीक है, हल्की सी thick रखनी है, and we are going to pour it over the Leamington roll that we are preparing. So obviously you can see the pouring of chocolate on top. So this is how you are going to do the pouring. Now जितना भी extra chocolate है that is going to fall apart in your tray, that you can use obviously later. आप later इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं उसको. You can collect it and use it later. The log is usually full. मैंने half में काटा हुआ है because we had prepared it for presentation and so that we can be on time. But you can obviously prepare the full log, okay? And full जो आपका आएगा रोल हो करके उसको आप चॉकलेट से डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now as and when the chocolate is going to settle down, we are going to cut it. Now obviously layering हमने देख ली है, and product also we are going to be now decorating it with desiccated coconut. ठीक है, हमारे पास desiccated coconut अगर है तो वो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो अगर हमारे पास dry coconut है उसको grate कर सकते हैं. We can grate that and then we can use for topping it. Now this can be done here also, or preferably अगर इसको थोड़ी देर 15-20 मिनट के लिए अगर हम फ्रिज में रखते हैं, then you can obviously go with it. So that is what is the concept. Meanwhile, I am doing any questions that arise in your mind, you can just. So here's we are decorating it with chocolate. With the coconut, desiccated coconut. After you decorate it with chocolate. Now this is going to go into the refrigerator again for around 1 hour so that it gets set properly. And so nicely doing it from all these sides so that you get a generous coating of coconut here. So this is how I'll cut a portion from this only. ऐसे तो हमें फ्रिज में रखना है थोड़ी देर के लिए, but I'll show you. I'll cut a portion out of this only. थोड़ा सा कोको पाउडर दे दीजिएगा, दीजिए कोको पाउडर. I'll cut out the portion. If anybody is confused with the process, let's take it also. I'll just recap the recipe for you because I guess it has gone a bit fast for some people who have joined late. So सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया है, हमने Lamington roll बनाने के लिए, which hails from Australia, we have taken or we have prepared eggless sponge, जिसकी रेसिपी मैंने आपको बताई थी. We take refined flour, we rub it with butter. Okay, after we get breadcrumb consistency, we add castor sugar, then we add baking soda and baking powder into it. And for the detailed recipe, and if you want the whole method and ingredients, weight and all, if you have missed it out, you can connect with me personally also, and I can just give you the recipe if anybody has any doubt regarding this. And after that, after preparing the batter of the cake, इसमें हमने rubbing के बाद liquid ingredients add करें, थोड़ा milk and water, lukewarm water you have to use, and अच्छा nice smooth batter बनाने के बाद उसको हमने tray में डाल के bake करना है. Now this is going to be going for baking for around 1 hour. आधा घंटा हमें 20 मिनट के आसपास 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे रखना है, और बाकी के टाइम हमें इसको मोस्टली आधा घंटा में से 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे पकाना है, so that it gets baked properly from inside also. So finally what we get is a eggless sheet or eggless sponge, and what you do, you take this sponge, ठीक है, एक बटर पेपर की शीट आपने बिछानी है, उस पर हल्का सा कैस्टर शुगर स्प्रिंकल करना है, फिर उस शीट को उस पर रख के उसी के साथ रोल करके 15-20 मिनट के लिए फ्रिज में छोड़ना है, सो दैट इट रिटेन्स इट्स शेप. उसे वापस निकालना है, वापस खोलना है. देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई द लेयरिंग इनटू इट. लेयरिंग में हमारे पास क्या था, जैम था, हमारे पास क्रश था और स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम था, एंड पाइनएप्पल जैम था हमारे पास, जस्ट टू गिव इट अ हिंट ऑफ टार्टनेस. और साथ में फिर क्रीम उसके ऊपर लगानी है. Then again you have to roll it. Again you are going to keep it in the refrigerator for around half an hour to 45 minutes. Then again take it out and then do this process जो अभी हमने करी है. Then again put it in the refrigerator for setting it. So that is the whole process of making the making the sauce. So what I do, I use a little bit of cocoa powder just to garnish my plate. And now this is basically raw, so थोड़ा सा टाइम फ्रिज में रखना है obviously for setting it, but I'm just cutting a slice out of this only so that all of us can see and we can relish it at home. So cutting it and placing it here so that all of us can see Lamington roll. You can see here the layering of cream, jam and topping of chocolate. Obviously it has to go in for setting for some time, so you can cut pieces and put it on a platter or a plate. What I'll do, I'll cut another piece and I'll put it there. Fine. Yes. Thank you all for watching the recipe. but I'll just put the second piece and we can just see the final presentation and we can just move on. So again it has to go into the refrigerator for setting. इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है हमें. Just to show you the ifs and buts of it from both these sides, you can see here we have prepared it. You can see the layering also, you can see from this side, layering as well as the top, and this is what we call as a Lavington roll. So happy eating to all, one and all, enjoy the dessert. For more recipes you can catch with us for more interesting recipes. Thank you.